Hi guys, how you doing? Koech on the move here. I'm coming to you live from Nairobi City, Kenya. So I decided to make this video to let you know that I got a GoPro camera. So it's the one that I'm using right now, and I really appreciate it. It has been my dream. I've really worked hard to get it. So today I really appreciate that I got it. So actually this is not the first video that I'm using the GoPro to take. I have done it like 3 videos right now, which are 4 videos actually, and 2 of them are right now on YouTube. You can go and check them. I did a video about Nairobi and about some craftsmen who are really talented in Aga Khan work, Nairobi City. So, and I did also a video about some gas system, M-gas, which is really an amazing video, an educative video, which we should really go and check it. So I wanted to let you know how I got the camera. Actually, I'm not a rich guy, because if I was rich, I could have gotten the camera a long time ago. So I'm just a normal guy and who is chasing his dream. And the reason why I got this camera is because I'm going to do YouTube really full time. Of course, you know what we normally do as Koech on the move is that I move around everywhere to find people who have unique stories to tell, so that we can learn from them, listen to them, and yeah, that's it, man, and see if we can help them if they need our help, or help us if we need their help. That is what I do. I don't really say I go to places where people are going through a lot of problems only. I go everywhere, the rich people, the poor people, the middle class, you know, everywhere. I don't care. So long as I bring an educative story, an entertaining story to you guys. So that is what I do. I really need your support, guys, there on YouTube, especially on views. Right now we have 5,000 plus subscribers. The only problem that I'm really going through right now is the views. I need the views, you know, because the channel was really idle for some times, like for almost 9 months. That's why the views are really down, because people who are supporting me are gone. And actually at the time I was doing content for just to pass time. I was just doing it. I didn't know what I was doing. But in October this month, last month actually, I decided that I was going to do a serious content on YouTube, to move around, as I told you, looking for unique stories from unique people, so that I can tell their stories. I listen to them and we also learn. Yeah, that's it. So I'm really requesting for your support. So how did I buy GoPro camera? GoPro is really expensive right now. The latest camera version of GoPro is GoPro Hero 12, which is like with accessories like batteries, like memory card, which is like 128 GB, which is really good. It's called SanDisk Extreme Pro, yeah, with a speed of like 290 write and read. I hope you understand. It's really expensive. It's like 105 Kenya shillings, because the dollar or the Kenya shillings are really weakened. So that camera could be like something like 80,000 or 70,000, but right now as you speak it's 105 Kenya shillings. Yeah, that's really expensive, and you have to import. I don't think most of them are available in Kenya, and if they are available, they are really expensive. So back to the story. How did I get my GoPro camera? The GoPro that I'm using actually is GoPro 10, which is really a good camera. If you check GoPro 12, GoPro 11, there are no major changes actually. No major changes. They're very small changes actually. So if you have GoPro 10, 11, 12, you are okay. You are good to go. Yeah. So mine is GoPro 10. So actually GoPro 10 in Kenya, the worst thing for the people who are selling in Kenya, the sellers of these GoPros, you can imagine, they will sell you the camera. They import the camera, they dismantle everything. They remove the tripod stand, they sell it differently, 7,500 Kenya shilling, different, you can imagine. They sell the batteries different, which will cost you almost 5,000 for 2 batteries, differently. They sell the camera differently. So GoPro 10, they will sell you like 50 to 55,000 for GoPro 10, only the camera. Remember, you need a tripod stand, you need a battery, you need a memory card. A memory card 128 GB, which will really help you, because if you get a memory card which is less than that, you will have a trouble. You will have a problem. You can imagine you making a content with a very important person, then all of a sudden the memory card is full. You tell that person, you know, stop, let me erase some of the files that I have so that we can get a space. That person will see that you are not serious. So you need to get a 128 GB memory card. That memory card in Kenya will cost you like 4,500 to 5,000 Kenya shilling. It's not the normal memory card, actually. Let me tell you, it's a small one, very small micro SD card, which is called SanDisk Extreme Pro, written 90 Mbps actually to 200 Mbps. So that's a memory card which is good. You also need a tripod stand, which they will sell you 7,500. So you can imagine 5,000 plus 7,500, that's like 12,500. You need also to buy batteries, which will cost like 5,000. Again, you need many batteries. GoPro, the batteries are not really good. They are not good. You need like 4 of them. Actually, me, I have 2. I'm planning to add more, 2 of them. So it will cost you like 5,000. So 17,000 plus 55,000. It will cost you a lot of money. But if you import, it will cost you like 6,000 roughly Kenya shillings. So you should consider importing if you want. I'm talking about GoPro Hero 10. Actually, so 11 is more expensive, 12 is much expensive. So that's it, guys. So how did I buy the camera? So as I was telling you, I'm not a rich man, I'm just an hustler. So the GoPro that I bought right now, that I'm using right now, GoPro 10, I sold a motorcycle to my brother. Yeah, I really begged my bro to buy the motorcycle, so that I can use the money to buy the GoPro. So the money from the motorcycle, all of it actually, I use it to buy the GoPro. Yeah, so because it's really hard to get such amount of money. 45,000 is a lot of money. So that's it. Actually, I got a guy actually who his mom is in UK. That is the story he told me. And he was sent the GoPro 10 as a gift. So that guy is not a content creator, it's just a normal person, and he used to use a GoPro when he goes to the beach to go and just swim. That's the only time that he used GoPro, because he's not a content creator. So he bought a very expensive phone called Honor, which can do a lot of things, multi-purpose. It's a phone and good camera like GoPro, and can take good videos, good photos. So he said that there was no problem of still having a GoPro, and again he was a little bit broke. So I got him. That was really good for me. I was lucky, and he sold me the GoPro 10 for good amount of money. Like I got it for 45,000, but I didn't have a memory card, so I had to buy a memory card. I have also to add 2 other batteries, which is a bit expensive. I haven't, settled the batteries thing, because it will mess me up. So I'm planning to buy the batteries. Yeah, so the batteries, I realized that 2 of them will take like not more than 2 hours. I think 1 hour 30 minutes for this one. I don't know if it is spoiled because second hand, I don't know, but I googled and I heard that GoPro, the batteries are not so good, so you need to have like 4, and you should also have a power bank, so that when you go somewhere where there is no power source, you can use your power bank to charge the batteries. That's it. So that's how I bought GoPro 10, and right now I'm using it to do the content. So I'm doing the content right now, not full time actually, because the channel has not paid me yet. I have a place where I work, and I'm planning when the channel started paying me and I can be able to pay for my rent, buy food for my children, pay the bills, and some get the money to do some transportation issues, because when you are doing content you commute a lot, you need to pay for Uber or Matatu. Yeah, that's it, man. You need to buy lunch. That's it. So guys, what I only request from you is your support me by subscribing, by viewing my videos from start to the end. Make sure you are sharing, you are commenting and liking. Most importantly, share. When you share, it will reach many people, because I believe I'm doing good content. Or what do you think? Just go and check my content. Check my content right now. Check one of the videos and see if it's really a good video. If I do a good thing, then please consider supporting your boy. That's very important, and I will really appreciate. So guys, that's the end. That's how I bought the camera. That is how I'm going to do my content. I'm going to move around, look for unique stories to tell. If you also have a unique story out there, I can come, we can talk and post the video. Yeah, you see. So thank you so much guys. God bless you. Koech on the move right here. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.